everyone, it's Avohkii here, and today I have another MOC for you guys. This is my LEGO Subway Battle MOC from Fantastic Beasts to celebrate the release of the second Fantastic Beasts movie. So, let's begin. Now, this MOC is supposed to represent the final battle from the Fantastic Beasts movie, and it has, of course, Grindelwald and Newt Scamander dueling, as well as Credence being the Obscurial right there, coming through the subway archway right there. Now, for the inspiration of this build, I definitely got to give credit to my friend JetBricks, because he built his own LEGO Fantastic Beasts subway MOC a little while back, and he has an amazing channel, so definitely be sure to go check that out. Now, starting here with the actual subway tracks, these are just built out of a bunch of different parts there, using some brown for the dirt or gravel down below, bunches of different little bits of greebling, and overall, they definitely look pretty accurate. Now, for the actual platform, I'm using a bunch of these brick pieces running along there just to raise it up and add a bit more detail. And on the edge, it is tiled off with these little printed silver stud pieces just to add a bit more detail. And for one of the main parts of the MOC, it is Credence right there coming out of the wall as the Obscurial, and that is just using a bunch of black pieces. Given a bit more time, I think I could have came up with a better way to construct the black pieces around the minifigure. But overall, I think it turned out pretty well, and it's just using a bunch of different slope pieces and like cheese slopes for a bunch of different greebling just to make it look a bit more organic and just match up the scene from the first Fantastic Beasts movie. Now, one of the main things for the architecture that you might notice are these sand green arches going up there, and those look very good. I really had a fun time designing them, and overall, I think the technique turned out pretty well. It's definitely accurate to the color scheme of the subway in the movie, and those are just fun to put together. Taking a quick look at the side, you can actually see how I constructed them, definitely using an illegal LEGO technique right here, where I'm just attaching them on by one stud there to get the archway right there. Definitely a bit fragile, but it definitely works pretty well. Now, the top right here is just nicely tiled off on the entire top, and then there are these lights right there on either side, and then there are these two archways, Credence coming through that one, and just a bit more greebling detailing right there. Now, for the minifigures, I am just using Credence, Newt Scamander, and Percival Graves from the LEGO Harry Potter minifigure series. And that's pretty much it for my LEGO Fantastic Beasts Subway Battle MOC, and this was definitely a fun MOC to build. I built it in about an hour to try to get it out on the release date of Fantastic Beasts, and it was definitely fun to build, so definitely tell me what you think of this MOC down below in the comments, and thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for new LEGO videos, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!